Welcome back to another PM Lectures unboxing video. So today we're going to be unboxing and assembling this Harbor Freight Yukon 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench. So let's open it up and assemble it. Here are the specifications of the box. We got little things. We got the instructions. Right, stop doing my video.
Relax, you can cut it out.
Alright, so the top already comes assembled.
Is it locked?
So it comes with 2 keys. And this box actually comes with the ball bearing drawer slider. So let's see how well they work. Open it up. We got the legs on, right?
Yeah, I think so. The wheels.
Let's see what's in the first drawer. Nothing. Drawer, nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Oh, there's something.
The bottom drawer stuff.
Oh, that's better.
So it looks like the handle on the side, which we don't really need. And a whole box of stuff. So it just comes with the wheels. So let's put them on. So we should probably lock it.
Yeah. Here's the liners.
What we needed.
Nice. Nice rib nuts right in the bottom. Easy for the wheels to go on.
Those.
Makes it a lot easier to install the bolts with these rib nuts in here instead of like a nut from the other side, because you don't have to worry about holding anything. It's just there. It's
Right.
nice.
Put them on.
This one.
So it comes with regular washers, the bolts, and the lock washers.
Are all these wheels the same? No.
One locked.
One caster.
Yeah. No, 2. These.
Yeah,
so-
two caster wheels on one side.
Yeah. So we're gonna put the 2 casters on one side and then the regular wheels on the other side. We're back to the bolts, so we're gonna use a bolt, the lock washer, and then the regular washer. This is actually more difficult than it looks.
Yeah, right.
Can you get yours?
Come on, Dad. You get even than that. There you go.
That's one.
They are pretty hard though. We're not gonna put that handle on the side, right? That thing's gonna take up so much space. You need bolts. And 3 more. Those are all done.
Alright, so we just figured it out, and I'm sure it says it in the instructions, but it is 14 millimeter.
What's the impact? She's over there. You got all these?
That's so much easier.
What? I know. Worth it. If you guys don't have an impact, I highly recommend getting one. They're worth it.
See, I'm just old school. Just the regular wrench. Take where's this coming out? You want to
it.
Yeah. You get all four?
I gotta get that last one.
Oh, got my phone.
See, this is why you don't use ink pen.
Oh, you don't need chromes on the impact.
Alright, let's turn it back on inside.
Got it?
Here's the bolts for if you guys want to put the
Side, like, handle on?
the sound handle, and there's also the one on the other side. So the handle can be installed on both sides. Slide.
All good.
So the keys actually,
Look.
hold on, look at the keys. Like that. We can get out of the way.
There you go.
Here are the ball bearing slides. That's the inside. And it also comes with the mats too. So let's put those in.
Okay, so here's the small one. Here. And here's the big one.
Man, it's hot in this garage. Comes with the mat.
Fits really nice.
Actually, what do you think of this toolbox from Harbor Freight for your first impression?
I mean, I'd say it's really pretty. I really like the wood finish on top. It feels like it's pretty durable too, and it'll hold up to stuff. And we'll be able to drill into it if we need to mount a vise or something like that. We can easily mount it there, and then the slides are really nice. The ball bearing drawer slides with the soft close are very, very nice.
And we'll give you guys an update in a couple months how the toolbox holds up. But that's it. It was pretty easy to assemble, right?
Yeah, heck yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace.